All right, so today lunch, I got some leftover bratwurst from the other day, and I got a ciabatta bun, and I'm just going to make a panini on this little panini press that I got. A friend of mine bought this for me years ago, and it still works okay. All right, so I just cut the sausage up into quarters. So I'm going to put some American cheese and some Swiss cheese on there. All right, let me put the sausages on there. It's going to be a pretty thick sandwich. Once again, not good when you're trying to lose weight. And then I got some pepperoncini. I think will go pretty good on that. All right, there's that so far. And now a little Swiss. And then butter. All right, that's hot. All right, let's see what we got. Looks like it fell apart pretty good. Oh yeah, definitely falling apart. All right, see if I could cut it. No, I need a serrated blade. This is way sharp, but I need a serrated blade. All right, it fell apart, but the cheese melted nicely. And there is that. And I think that Newcastle right there will do nicely. All right. Sausage and pepperoncini and cheese panini. That rhymed. That's excellent. Those pepperoncinis liven it up. It's good. So is that. Good lunch.